Welcome to Lake Village, Arkansas, a small delta town with a remarkable story. Nestled among the shores of beautiful Lake Chico, this community is rich in history, shaped by the mighty Mississippi River, prosperous cotton plantations, waves of immigration, devastating floods, and one of the most unique lakes in North America. Join me as we explore the fascinating history of Lake Village and discover why this corner of southeast Arkansas has remained an important part of the Mississippi Delta for generations. The story begins long before the town itself existed. Lake Chico is the largest natural oxbow lake in North America, stretching nearly 20 miles. Centuries ago, the Mississippi River flowed through what is now the lake. Over time, the river cut a shorter channel and left behind this crescent-shaped body of water. French explorers later named it Chico, meaning stump, because cypress trees and their exposed knees lined the shoreline. The lake became an important route for Native Americans, traders, hunters, and early settlers drawn to the fertile soil and abundant wildlife. Today, Lake Chico remains one of Arkansas's top destinations for fishing, boating, birdwatching, and outdoor recreation. Its calm waters continue to define the beauty and character of Lake Village. Long before European settlers arrived, Native American tribes lived throughout this region, relying on the lake and surrounding forest for food and transportation. During the 18th century, France and Spain both claimed parts of the Arkansas Delta before the United States acquired the Louisiana Purchase in 1803. As settlers moved in, large cotton plantations developed along the rich alluvial soils left by the Mississippi River. Cotton quickly became the economic engine of Chico County, depending heavily on enslaved labor before the Civil War. Chico County was established in 1823, making it one of Arkansas's oldest counties. In 1857, Lake Village was chosen as a county seat because of its central location and access by water. One of the most fascinating chapters in the area's history began in 1895. New York businessman Austin Corbin recruited nearly 100 Italian families from northern Italy to settle at nearby Sunnyside Plantation, just across Lake Chico. The immigrants were promised farmland and opportunity, but many faced harsh working conditions and overwhelming debt. Reports of their treatment drew national attention and led to federal investigations. Although many families eventually left to help establish the thriving Italian community of Tontitown in northwest Arkansas, others remained in Chico County. Their descendants became part of the cultural fabric of the Arkansas Delta, leaving an Italian heritage still remembered today. After the Civil War, the town slowly rebuilt its economy. The arrival of the railroad in 1903 connected Lake Village to larger markets across the South and brought new businesses, cotton gins, warehouses, banks, hotels, and retail stores. By the early 20th century, Lake Village had become one of the most important commercial centers in southeastern Arkansas. During the early 20th century, Lake Village continued to grow as cotton production expanded across the Delta. Main Street became the center of town, lined with banks, pharmacies, hotels, restaurants, hardware stores, and businesses serving local farmers. Steamboats still traveled nearby waterways, while improved highways brought more automobile traffic through town. Daily life revolved around farming, schools, churches, and gatherings along the lakefront. Families fished from its shoreline, children swam in the summer, and visitors enjoyed one of the most scenic settings in the Arkansas Delta. Like much of the Mississippi Delta, Lake Village faced one of its greatest challenges during the catastrophic Mississippi flood of 1927. Although levees protected parts of the community, surrounding farmland was flooded for miles. Crops were destroyed, thousands of residents were displaced, and transportation across the Delta came to a halt. The disaster reshaped life throughout the region and led to major improvements in flood control, levee construction, and river management that still protect Delta communities today. Over time, sediment and changing water conditions affected Lake Chico's health. Beginning in the late 1970s, one of Arkansas's largest lake restoration projects worked to improve water quality and restore fish habitat. The effort transformed Lake Chico into one of the state's best fishing lakes. Today, anglers come from across the country to catch largemouth bass, crappie, bluegill, and catfish. Lake Chico State Park offers camping, hiking, cabins, boat launches, and sweeping views, making it one of Arkansas's hidden treasures. Today, Lake Village remains a welcoming Delta community where history and natural beauty meet. Visitors can stroll across the lakefront, enjoy excellent fishing, explore historic downtown, or visit nearby Lakeport Plantation, one of the finest remaining antebellum homes in Arkansas. The town continues to honor its agricultural heritage while embracing tourism and outdoor recreation. Every street, historic building, and view across Lake Chico reflects a story that stretches back centuries. Whether you come for the history, the fishing, the scenery, or simply the quiet charm of the Arkansas Delta, Lake Village offers a glimpse from a unique chapter of America's past.